Hey guys, my name is Jukka, aka Slicemonger. We've been doing pizza pop-ups and workshops here in Finland for about a year now with my wife and with Ooni pizza ovens. Here are 5 tips that we've learned so far. So I think first and the most important thing is to love what you do and have fun. It might get busy, it might get stressful sometimes, but in the end, what I really love about this is to make people happy, and making pizzas is the best thing you can actually do. So just have fun. The second tip is to plan your schedule properly and then double the time. You always end up losing things or forgetting things, so have enough time to make things properly and you won't get that stressed. I think the worst thing sometimes can happen that you are late and you're too busy. Then you really don't enjoy it. So schedule things properly. Third tip is to keep it simple. I have a bad habit of, I want to have all the new 5 pizzas that I've actually created on a menu, but have only 2 or 3 pizzas at a time. Don't try too much. Classics always work. Margarita, pepperoni, and then some extra. Try to keep it simple. The fourth tip is to make some extra. If you're planning to make 50 pizzas, make enough dough and plan enough ingredients for 55 pizzas. Because even though you're not, messing things up at your home, it's safe to have few extra balls when you're cooking somewhere else. So just for your own sake, do 5 extra balls. Tip number 5, plan your dough process. I'm usually doing like a 24-hour room temperature brew with Caputo pizzeria flour because that's the flour that I know the best. I'm doing my kick-ass dough that I know that works. Like we're cooking usually for like 6 hours, so I do 2 different batches of dough. Okay, this is the dough that I start with, and this is the dough that I'm gonna use at the end of our pop-up. So these are my 5 tips if you want to start your pop-up. There are a lot more things that you should really know, but these are the things that we've learned so far. Keep your ovens hot and have fun.